Yes, welcome to Immediate channel. Today's topic, we are looking at taking responsibility. In this YouTube channel, we always do videos on wealth creation and business opportunities and the habits or the skills we need to create wealth, either online or offline. So today we are looking at taking responsibility. As a man, you need to take responsibility for your business or your work. What is being responsible? Simply put, being responsible is accepting your mistakes and your good parts, accepting both your area of strength and the area of growth, or some people may say weakness, accepting your weakness and your strength. Not shifting blame to others, to your wife, to your husband, to your president, to your community, about your own fault or your own strength. Accepting that this is what I can do, this is not what I cannot do. And when I have tried and failed, I accept my mistake and try to learn how to improve. How do I improve on this? That is the first key, very important in taking responsibility. Yes, how comes this happened? This business I did, I failed. What led to the failure? Or is it that I didn't make my own research very well? Or was I allowed, or did I allow somebody to deceive me? You can only be deceived when you allow yourself to be deceived. So taking responsibility is very important in every business, be it online and offline. Most of us, especially Nigerians and some Africans, or even some white men, who don't take responsibility for our businesses, and we keep on blaming others, blaming the government, blaming the environment. Yes, others may have their own fault. Yes, that's the truth. I may have my own fault too. Just like the way I have faults, the same way the community, my friends, my relatives, my business associates may have faults. So the best thing is for me to look at where can I do better? How can I do this business better? How can I acquire more skill to help me take informed decision, take responsible decision, take an effective decision? So remember to subscribe and share this channel. We are going to discuss more of this. If you have any thoughts, you can comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts about what it means. What is it to you to take responsibility? What does it mean to take responsibility? Because we need to be responsible. As a man, that is what differentiates man and animal. The difference between a human being and other beings that are not human, like plants and animals, is freedom. And freedom comes with responsibility. The earlier we understand this, the better for us. Even in the business, in the family, in the school, in the church, in the government, that does not take responsibility will either fail or is heading to failure, to doom. Because it is when I take responsibility for my action that I can now look for a solution to way forward. But if I continue blaming persons, blaming others, and I don't look at myself, how do I improve? How do you improve? So thank you for watching this video. We are here to share ideas on how to create wealth, how to be a better person, because wealth is not just about money. Wealth is not just about having cars. It's not about having big portfolio, big bank account. Yes, they may be there, but it's not the end. there are more to life than all these things. So we have to try to our best to have a balanced life. If you have money, how responsible are you using the money? If you have car, how responsible are you using the car? If I have my YouTube channel, how responsible am I using this YouTube channel? Are you watching the video? How responsible are you in watching this video and in taking decisions? So thanks for watching. We're going to upload more videos about this, about wealth creation, the way forward, skills to learn, and how to trade crypto and many other assets, how to build your wealth online, to create your wealth online, because we're in digital age now. So remember to subscribe and share, and let's meet at the top. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.